Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study math effectively. First, always focus on understanding the core concepts thoroughly before attempting to memorize any formulas. Consistent practice is crucial. It helps reinforce what you've learned and improves your problem-solving speed. Don't shy away from mistakes. Instead, review them carefully to pinpoint where you went wrong. And remember, it's perfectly fine to seek help from your teachers or classmates when you get stuck on a concept. To truly master math, engage in active learning. Try working through problems step by step, explaining each stage aloud as if you're teaching it. A fantastic way to solidify your understanding is to actually teach new concepts to a friend or family member. Make flashcards for important terms, formulas, and theorems to aid memorization. Also, don't hesitate to use online resources and videos. They often provide fresh perspectives and alternative explanations. When tackling math problems, adopt a systematic approach. Begin by breaking down complex problems into smaller, more manageable parts. Clearly identify all the given information and precisely what the problem is asking you to find. Before you start calculating, formulate a clear plan of attack. Once you've arrived at an answer, always take a moment to check your work for accuracy and to ensure the solution is reasonable in context. Sustaining your math success involves more than just studying. It's crucial to maintain a positive attitude and truly believe in your mathematical abilities. Set realistic study goals for yourself and celebrate every small achievement along the way to stay motivated. Remember to take short, regular breaks to prevent burnout and keep your focus sharp. Finally, try to connect math concepts to real-world applications. This can make learning much more engaging and meaningful.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.